Dear students, our today's first question is a theorem. If a transversal intersect two lines, AB and CD are two lines, and EF is transversal, and transversal intersect the two given lines such that a pair of alternate interior angles are equal. Here the alternate angle 1 and 3 and 2 and 4 are equal. Then prove that the lines are parallel. Here AB and CD are not parallel and we should prove it. So the given term is AB and CD are two lines and EF is transversal making four angles. One, two, three, and 4 are equal. 1 equal to 3 and 2 equal to 4. These are the alternate interior angles. To prove AB is parallel to CD. For proving the parallel lines, we should prove the corresponding angles are equal, alternate exterior angles are equal, consecutive interior angles are supplementary. So we should prove any one property. Here 5 and 6 are exterior angle, but angle 1 and 5 are vertically opposite angle. Since the 1 equal to 5, angle 1 equal to 5, its reason is vertically opposite angles. And angle 1 equal to 3 and angle 1 equal to 3, it is the given condition. Therefore angle 3 equal to 5, angle 3 equal to 5, these are the corresponding angles. Similarly, we can prove in the other sides 4 and 6 are equal. Angle 4 equal to 6. So these are the corresponding angles. So corresponding angles are equal. So lines AB is parallel to CD. Our next theorem is if a transversal intersect two parallel lines. In this theorem, AB and CD are parallel lines and EF is transversal, and transversal intersect two parallel lines. Then each pair of interior angles, these are the interior angles, each pair of interior angles on the same side of transversal is supplementary. These are the same side 1 and 4 and 2 and 3, and whose sum is 180. We should prove it. So the given condition is AB is parallel to CD and EF is transversal, making the four angles. So AB is parallel to CD and EF is transversal, making the four angles. And to prove an interior angle on the same side of transversal, 1 plus 4 equal to 180 and 2 plus 3 is also 180. So in the proof, it's very simple. Sum of two angle is 180 degree, and generally we are using in a linear pair sum of two angle is 180 degree. Then the angles are in a linear pair. Here the 1 and 2 are in a linear pair, 3 and 4 are in a linear pair. So we can use it. So it's very simple proof. 1 plus 2 is 180 degree, and 2 and 4 are alternate interior angle. So in place of 2 we can put the 4, and 1 plus 4 is 180 degree. So we should start from the here. This ray is stand on a line AB. So ray PQ stands on a line AB. Therefore, angle 1 plus 2 equal to 180 degree. Its region is linear pair. Again, angle 2 and 4 are angle 2 equal to 4. Its region is alternate interior angles. So in place of 2 we can put the angle 4. So implies angle 1 plus 4 equal to 180 degree. 1 plus 4 is 180 degree. Similarly, we can prove 2 plus 3 is also 180 degree. So these are the alternate interior angles on the same side of transversal is supplementary. Hence, alternate interior angles, if AB is parallel to CD and EF is transversal, then alternate interior angles on the same side of transversal is supplementary. Our next theorem is, it's very important theorems. If a transversal intersect such that a bisector of a pair of corresponding angles are parallel, then prove that the two lines are parallel. Here AB and CD are two lines, and we should prove it the parallel. AB is parallel to CD. It is not a given, we should prove it. And the given condition is the bisector PR and QS of the corresponding angle of these and these. And PR is parallel to QS is given. And prove that AB is parallel to CD. So the given condition is bisector of corresponding angles are parallel. And prove that AB is parallel to CD. It's very easy. If lines are parallel, then corresponding angles are equal. And corresponding angles are equal, then the lines are parallel. So first of all, we should start from PR is parallel to QS, and PR is the bisector of this angle. Since PR and QS are the bisectors of corresponding angle, EPB and PQD respectively. Therefore, angle EPR equal to RPB, both are X, and PQS and SQD are equal to Y. Hence, PR is parallel to QS. It is the given. Therefore, angle EPR equal to PQS, EPR and PQS. Its reason is corresponding angle. And its value is X and its value is Y. So X equal to Y. Here X equal to Y, then we should multiply 2 on both sides, then 2X equal to 2Y. 2X equal to 2Y, and 2X is equivalent to EPB. Angle EPB is equivalent to 2Y is PQD. Then EPB and PQD are, these are the EPB and PQD, both are the equal, and these are the corresponding angle. So lines AB is parallel to CD. Its reason is corresponding angles property.